That's what we're learning.
Yes.
Okay, kaso mo, nabalita yon when you were head of the Optical Media
Oh, yeah.
Board,
Yeah, grabe yun,
Sandigan
grabe.
Bayan, Korte Suprema.
Yeah.
Natapos ba ito, Ronnie?
Finally, nung March 22,
2020.
2022, I think, September, came
Okay.
out in the news. Na na-dismiss yung case, acquitted
Yeah.
ako. Pero the funny thing, hindi na masyadong ni-news eh. Pero yung ako'y natalo nung una, grabe ang banat sa akin, left and right. So, sama ng loob ko.
Pero ang importante, acquitted ka doon sa
Acquitted.
kasong
Yes.
isinampa laban sa'yo sa Korte Suprema.
Yes,
In
yes.
my little research, I don't know if this is allowed, pero ang boto doon ay 5-0
Yes,
ng
in favor.
division na nag-handle ng iyong kaso.
Yes.
Will you ever go back to government?
Naphobia ako eh. Actually, may overtime bumalik. Pero, ganun lang, boy. Oh. Kayang sirain pangalan mo. They'll pay people to destroy you. Even media, they pay people to destroy you. Kasi, short story, there was one person na kaibigan ko na newscaster. Sinabihan na ako, Ronnie, nakakahon ka na. The word, I cannot forget that.
Ano ang
word.
ibig sabihin?
Nakakahon, titirahin ka na, be ready.
Oh.
So sabi ko, ha? Ano yun? Basta pare, ingat ka na, nakakahon ka na. Yun na yun.
You're happy where you are right now.
Very,
You wouldn't
very
go
happy.
back to government.
Unless calling eh. You know,
Yeah,
like sometimes
right.
yung
You still
OMB
believe in
because
that, yeah.
industry, mahal ko yung
Yeah.
industry eh.
Oo.
Buhay yan eh. Talagang ang dami ko nagawang maganda eh. So, and then, ganun lang. Tsaka malalaman mo sino kaibigan mo, boy.
Tama.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Oo.
Ako,
Paano naapektuhan ng mga bata?
grabe. Sa
Kayo,
school,
Maris,
Oo.
anong epekto?
Pero, they
Ako
were strong,
laban
ha?
Kasi hindi po pwedeng, yun yung sinasabi ko, ito yung biggest trial talaga sa relationship.
Na pinagdaanan niyo?
Oh, yeah, na pinagdaanan namin.
8 years. 8 years.
Yeah, pero yun din ang nagpatapang sa akin.
Yun.
Kasi nakita ko kung gaano ka-apektado si Ronnie. And he was so sad na naawa ako sa kanya na parang
Oo.
hindi pwede na parang ayaw niya lumabas ng bahay.
Pero ang galing
o
mo,
ganyan.
Maris,
Pero
ang reaksyon laban, kasi yung paranoia, di ba? Tumitingin
Yeah.
ang tao at sasabihin, ay, yan yung may
Yeah.
graft case.
yes.
Di ba? Parang,
But you know what? Even the girls, nung
Ang
tinanong,
tapang
sabi
nila.
ng mga bata,
Ay, grabe. They know me
Daddy,
better." Yeah.
We know you better than
Grabe.
anyone
Grabe.
else.
Grabe
You are
sila.
our
Ang galing.
dad. And so don't worry about
namilabot
anything.
naman. That's all you need.
Oh, yeah.
That's all we need.
Doon na,
Our
doon na
loved
ako.
ones to say, lumaban ka,
At
kilala ka
yun
namin.
din ang dahilan kung bakit lumaban si Ronnie. Kasi nakita niya yung tingin ng mga bata sa kanya.
That's
Taas.
right.
Sobra.
Yeah.
Pero alam mo, ang haba ng kwentuhan sana natin kung may oras tayo. But maraming salamat sa inyong pagdalaw.
Oh, thank
Maraming
you.
maraming
Thank you.
salamat. Maraming salamat. Maris, roses.